Welcome back to Hook Crochet's beginner tutorials. So we've worked on mastering how to hold the crochet hook, how to hold your thread like so, how to create a foundation chain, working your first double crochet, and now we're going to work on a treble. A treble is a stitch that's equivalent to 3 chains, so it's quite a tall stitch. You know, there's 3 chain on the hook, so it's about that tall. So for our first treble, we're going to work into the 4th chain from the hook. So you're skipping 1, 2, 3 chain, and into the 4th chain is the chain we're going to work in for our first row. So let's begin. Yarn over hook. Then we're going to work the hook into the 4th chain from the hook. And like that. Grab the thread on the other side. Pull it through once. Yarn over hook. Pull it through twice. Yarn over hook. Pull it through 3 times. See, it's quite a nice tall stitch. Let's do another one. Yarn over hook. Now the hook goes into the next chain. Into the chain. Grab the thread on the other side of the chain, pull it through once. Yarn over hook. Pull it through 2 loops. Yarn over hook and pull it through the last 2 loops. Treble. In the US, I think this is known as double crochet, but in European, it's treble. It can be quite confusing reading patterns sometimes because US and EU patterns are written differently. The stitches are different. So it's one thing to try and figure out before you start using a pattern. Yarn over hook into the next chain. Grab the thread on the other side, pull it through. Yarn over hook, pull it through 2 loops. Yarn over hook, pull it through 2 loops. I guess it's good to call it a treble because it's 3 movements. So we're yarn over hook into the next chain, grab the thread, pull it through once. Yarn over hook, pull it through twice. Yarn over hook, pull it through 3 times. So treble, 3 movements. Let's go again. Yarn over hook into the next chain. Grab the thread on the other side, pull it through. Yarn over hook, pull it through 2 loops. Yarn over hook and pull it through the last 2 loops. So we're going to work the rest of the row, and then I'll show you how to turn at the end of the row. Yarn over hook into the next chain, pull it through once. Yarn over hook, pull it through twice. Yarn over hook, pull it through 3 times. Yarn over hook into the next, pull it through once, twice, 3 times. Once you have these stitches down, you've got your chain, your double crochet, and this one, the treble. You can do so much. They're definitely the most used stitches in crochet. Coming to the end of the row, and I'll show you how to turn the work and work down the end of the row, the other side of the row. And into the last one. Lovely. Okay, there we go. Nice row of trebles. So to turn the work, we're going to do 3 chain. 1, 2, 3. Turn the work around. Now we're going to work another treble, but not into this one because the 3 chain accounts for the first stitch. So yarn over hook, skip this very first one at the base of the 3 chain and get your hook into the next one. So you're just skipping this very, very last one because that's your 3 chain is accounting for the treble. Yarn over hook, hook into the second treble, pull it through once, yarn over hook, pull it through twice, yarn over hook, pull it through 3 times. So you continue the second row just like so, and when you're working back over this row you do your last treble into the top of the 3 chain, and that's it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and come back where we'll be doing more tutorials, and they're getting more and more complicated, and hopefully I'll be able to teach you the best way I can.